Okay, welcome all for this last session, validity session on our FDP. Let me brief first what was the FDP for. We at BLDACT Vijaypur Karnataka started with the online 1-week AICTE approved ATAL FDP on advances in construction techniques. We started with the inaugural session by AICTE through a common inaugural function through a common link. After which on Monday we started with the first with small inaugural. We started with the first session by Dr. Mrinal Pal, who was a senior principal scientist at CSIR, Kolkata, with topic basics of nanoscience and nanotechnology. The point here was the session by Velidictory Das was on nanotechnology and characterization of microstructure, for which you require the nanomaterial nanoscience basics. So for which we approached Professor Mrinal Pal, and he has given basics of this nanoscience and nanotechnology in the first session. After which the second session in the afternoon was by Dr. Bharti Ganesh, HOD and Professor NMIT Nitya Meenakshi Institute of Technology, Bengaluru. The topic was trends of technology for modernization of construction engineering. It was very much interesting topic where she highlighted about the various ways wherein we can modernize our industries. Very well session. After which in the second day we had 3 sessions on the second day. The first session 3 on the morning, was by KL Mohan Rao, the president of Construction Industry Development Academy, SIDA, Bengaluru, who took about the tunnel for transportation as a case study. He took a case study on various tunnel boring and equipment and everything. Good session. After which we had a session in the afternoon which was a stress management. As per AICTE, there has to be one session on universal values. So that session was kept as a stress management. Most of the participants took actively involvement in that session. It was by SM Jagdish, who was in principal consultant Zero Defect Consultants, Bengaluru. The last session on the second day ended with the topic modern construction techniques with new concretes by Dr. SM Murnal, who was a Dean Academics, AIEMS, Bengaluru, Amruta Institute of Engineering and Management Science, Bengaluru. In the next day, Wednesday, third day, we started with the session on nanotechnology, that is hydration and microstructure characteristics, the application of nanotechnology by well-known Professor Dr. Bibiti Bhushan Das, who is an Institute GAN coordinator at NIT Surathkal. His resume was absolutely very, very fine as per the researches included. It was, I think it is 12 pages a resume, which I shot up with only half a page. Very good presenter. Next session at the same day, we had from Dr. Muhammad Ashraf Iqbal, Professor IIT Roorkee, behavior of pre-stress concrete under impact loading. Next day, Thursday, we had a session by Bibiti Bhushan Das, Sustainable Advances and Requirements of Research in Concrete Technology, wherein we also included our students. He requested students to include in that session. After that, the last session was on the Thursday, was Sustainable Practices of High-Rise Building Foundation Analysis and Design. A very well-known Dr. G.R. Gowder, Professor IIT Madras. He has been with us since 10 years, 15 years with us. A very wonderful presentation by Dr. G.R. Gowder on case studies. And the last day, today, we started with the session from Dr. R.B. Kadir Naikar, who is also my guide. He took the topic on properties and uses of HPC in construction. Professor from BEC Bagalkot. And the last session we ended with the advances in precast technology and construction by by engineers Srinivas Satyanarayan, Director Consoles, Bengaluru. Very interesting topic on precast constructions. This was the summary of our online FDP with total 11 sessions and 10 resource persons. After which now this is the last of which is the validator section. With this, now I request the participants to give your feedback. We'll share the link of these two. I think we are missing with the feedback for session today's session 10 and 11 morning and this afternoon session. We'll share the link in the WhatsApp group. You can give your feedback to the resource persons for today's day. I request the participants to give feedback so that is there any improvement required so that we can incorporate and improve ourselves in the coming FDPs or any appreciations. Over to you, any participants. Please unmute and please give your valuable feedback.
Good evening, sir.
I request to on the video.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Let it be now face to face. We had been online for these
Yes,
6
yes,
days.
Yes, sir. No problem. I'm in the classroom actually.
At the end, we'll
Okay.
start the video, and I will just have a screenshot of this for an record.
Okay, sir. So can I start?
Yes, sir. Yes, speak.
Okay. Okay, sir. I'm Dr. Praveen Shiroyan from SSBTS College of Engineering Technology, Bamburi, Jalgaon in Maharashtra. So I'm very thankful to all the institutes, staff members of the institute for arranging the such type of the programs. So from in the last week or this current week, we can say that we have done this course on the advances in construction techniques. So for this particular course, I'm very thankful to this AICTE and ATAL, so that they are arranging this type of the courses, and that courses are online courses. So it is very easy to make a convenient to us, because if the courses are offline, then there is a different issues and different problems for online courses, but it is very easy to from transportation time of view, and it saves the times also. So first of all, I'm very thankful to the AICTE ATAL scheme. Then the second thing I'm very is thankful to the coordinator Asif Iqbal sir. So you are also in front of me right now. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
And then for all experts for providing the such type of the knowledge to us. It is not possible to get this knowledge, to increase this knowledge in 1.5 hours, but some ideas and some creations will be occurred in our mind, and we'll work on it throughout the years or throughout the career. So that we'll try. And so for that particular things, I'm very thankful to all the experts. Then finally, I want to say thanks to all the staff members of your institute. Directly or indirectly, they have helped to you for conducting the course, or sending the attendance, for taking the exam like this. Many things are there for us. So I'm very thankful to them also. And finally, I want to say something about your the one lecture that was conducted about stress. At that time also I talked something. So now during this last week, whatever we have attended the course, the earlier we are having the stress of attending the class or the course. Then during the course, we find out that some stress is reduced. But after the course, if I will think about these courses, then I came to know that my knowledge is very, very less as compared to the others knowledge. Then maybe again the stress will be increased. So I will find out the solution for that one also. So thank you very much, sir.
That's why they are called experts, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Now we can continue.
All the participants to on the video. You may speak or you may not speak. Please start your video. On your video. I request all the participants. 53 participants are online now. Hope they are all active now. Please switch on the videos.
Start my video or something. So earlier, sir, I have a question whether it just earlier when I was talked with Uttab Thanksgiving, at that time my video was start or off? I don't understand.
No, your video is off, sir. Now it has started. It has started
now. It is start now. Okay, sir. Something at
that moment of time.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other participant? This is a platform wherein we have at the end verge at the end of the FDP, and now we are at face to face.
Good evening, sir. I'm audible.
Good evening. Good evening, Zubair.
Myself,
How are you?
Zubair, sir. How are you,
Zubair,
sir?
how are you? Fine. Please.
Just now
Yeah,
I got
I
session handled by Satyanarayan, sir. So they told about that free cost technology in that section. He explained very well. And before in that Tuesday, that the fourth session, Jagdish sir, it is there. That's stress management.
Stress management.
That topic. Yes. He explained very well, sir. Why? Because in that working situation, we will get to see some situations while writing some papers and handling the students and all. So we will experience that same kind of situations. So it will be very helpful for us also, sir, for managing that stress management. So that session 4 it is required, sir, most required for this particular FDP. So manage the stress management and all. So
actually, I thought the stress management is an odd topic over here, AI from through the AICTE, but from the feedback from all you, from you all, it is absolutely correct topic in this feedback in this FDP.
And also, I'm the student of this DLD CET management. Sorry, this engineering college. And Dr. Asif Momin sir is my guide.
Thank you.
So after completing this MTech, I joined here in that RGM CET Nandal Engineering College. I am now in from past 2 years. I am working as a assistant professor in Nandal. It is in Andhra Pradesh. So I would like to thank our guide also for encouraging us.
Thank you, Zubair. Thank you. Thank you, Zubair.
Okay, sir.
Any other participant from other states? They are from various states all over India. Any other? Tamil Nadu. One from Tamil Nadu? Anyone from Tamil Nadu? Anyone from Tamil Nadu? Participant? Want to speak? Let it be a simple thank. No issues. I'll be happy.
Thank you, sir.
Please introduce.
Sir, I am Bhuma Priya from Virudhunagar, Tamil Nadu.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Thank you, sir. All the session was very interesting. So we are very benefited from all the sessions. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Any from North India? Anyone from North India? Himachal Pradesh, Bihar.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. You are from?
Sir, I am from Rabindranath Tagore. I am Assistant Professor Hitesh Khare from Rabindranath Tagore University, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh.
Yes, sir. Please.
All the sessions and all the this FDP program was very informative to us, and I am grateful to all the staff for organizing and the AICTE attending for organizing this informative section.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Any other? Anyone from Kerala? Anyone from Kerala? Anyone from professor level cadre? Professor cadre, anyone? I will be happy. Anyone from professor cadre to give the feedback for any improvement? Anyone? Okay, then we shall end. Please at least start the video. Don't speak, at least start the video for a second. Everyone, please start the video for at least 1 second and you can off it. We'll end it soon. Arun Bagi, Uma Priya, SP Srinivas, Dr. SP Srinivas, Goli, Hemavati, right. Thank you all for attending, selecting our topic through AICTE portal and attending our FDP. You had been with us for this complete week, having your patience in spite of your busy schedule in academics. I do agree. We have the schedule very much busy. It may be peak hour time at your side. Even it is peak at our university also. In spite of that, also you people have attended and chosen our topic and you have attended it completely. Congratulations for completing this course for this 5 days. I thank AICTE ATAL for sponsoring this FDP. It was actually in the second COVID, I think it was complete lockdown wherein we applied it and we got the selection. But we later on changed it to, it was supposed to be completed in July, but we shifted it to this January because of the COVID and all. But anyhow, we completed with successfully. I thank all the supporters who have supported me a lot since the start of this FDP, who have been involved directly and indirectly. I thank all. I thank Principal Dr. Atul Aire sir for supporting us completely for this FDP. All members who have been involved, Naeem Inamdar, Sangan Gauda Patil, CS Kusur, everyone who have been involved into this FDP, supporting this. Thank you one and all. And regarding the exam, we'll have the WhatsApp group will be open till we complete the the exam, wherein you have to score 60% minimum. For that, I think we have posted all the videos, the presentations who have been shared, the resource persons who have shared the presentation, we have uploaded into the AICTE portal. You can just log into your portal, go to the documents and access through that. But I had some complaint with some of the one participant wherein it is unable to access the documents. But even if it is that the case, we'll try to share the through the email IDs. I will mail you all the the presentations through email. But I had not been got all the presentations. Few 4 to 5, I think I have been the resource person have mailed me, but others still it is still to receive. But whichever the presentations I have issued, I'll just try to share you so that you can just prepare for your this exam if you want. We'll give 2 days time. In our Karnataka, we have Saturday weekend curfew. So Saturday is off here. Saturday, Sunday. So we'll take this test on Tuesday. We'll have 1 day time on Monday. You can just prepare. We'll have time on Tuesday exactly at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so that you will be after lunch. It will be after lunch. You will have the time to give the test. After that, we'll just share the link at that moment of time. It will be open only till 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So what is that? Whatever is the duration of the test, it will be open up till there only. Later on, it will close. So exactly 3 o'clock on Tuesday, we'll have the test wherein the link will be shared to you. You have to answer in the Google through that link. Another is the attendance. We have shared the attendance day wise to you. We'll collect all these attendance and have a final attendance which can with all the sessions in one sheet. So we'll share it first. That will not be uploaded in the AICTE still. We'll collect your views, any issues like you have been present and it had been remained absent there. For those issues, you can WhatsApp me personally, and I will just see to it that and we'll correct those. After 2 days of time, we'll give you 2 days of time. After no complaints, 0 complaints, then that same will be uploaded into the AICTE portal. That is the I will have till Tuesday. I will work on Monday. I'll just see my schedule. We'll work on Monday. It may be final on Monday till afternoon. I'll just see if it is okay. I will just share on Monday. If not, I will share that attendance on Tuesday. We'll have 1 day time for any corrections. Then later on, after that, we'll just upload into the AICTE portal. Unless when about the certificates, it is the regional office. So we come under Southwest Region Office, Bengaluru, wherein after the uploading of our utilization certificate, UC utilization certificate, that means I have to utilize all the fund released from the AICTE. I have to utilize and give complete. I have to audit it through the auditor. Then I have to upload the certificate in the AICTE portal. It takes some duration of a time. So please do not request me to what about our certificates. Only when I upload the utilization certificate into the AICTE portal, that will be verified. All the sessions videos we have been recorded. The session recording I have to upload into AICTE. The region office verifies each sessions. Then they will approve it. Later on, after the approval of the region office through the Bengaluru, it will be communicated to the central AICTE team. The central AICTE team then will start releasing the certificates of the participants. So you get the participated certificates through AICTE portal only. You can log in, but it takes some duration of a time because I have to release the honorarium to the resource person. It has to clear from the finance, everything, all that, the audit, then utilization certificate. After that only the region office will clear it, and then the central team it goes to the central team. Then you get the certificates. So please don't be hurry to get the certificates. It will be cleared through the AICTE only. You can log in through the AICTE. Any issues after that, I'll just till then we'll have that group wherein each and every participant who have been attended gets the certificate. Till then we'll have the WhatsApp group. After complete certificates have been issued to all the participants, no issues, no problem into the certificates and all, then with formal this, I'll just try closing the WhatsApp group, request you to exit from the group, and then we'll formally close the WhatsApp group. Any doubt?
I have one doubt about examination.
Sir.
So it is not possible to take the examination today or day after today, tomorrow.
Sir, actually the question should be framed in such a way that I should get it should be through your what you call sessions only. But I personally have not attended all the sessions all the time. I had been involved in calling the next resource person, all that. So I should frame still the questions. I have not framed. It will be not that difficult to you if you have attended common. So please don't take it that serious about the exam. I'll just see.
No, one more question. Okay. We'll take the exam on Tuesday after
We'll take
3 p.m.
at exactly at 3 p.m. I'll just give you a notification about this in the WhatsApp group. It will confirm. But till now, it is Tuesday 3 p.m. If any corrections is there, I'll just post it into the group. But anyhow, I'll post this.
Okay, I understand. Now, after this, you are giving time only 10 to 15 minutes, or that is the time that required to solve the test. Both things are there.
Duration for solving the exam.
It is duration for solving the
solving
sir. But the link may be open for more hours, but the duration for solving the exam is 10 to 15 minutes.
It will close later on. It will close. I do not accept. Then the acceptation of the responses will be closed. You may not be able to submit it later on. It may open, but it will not.
Only 10 to 15 minutes. That means suppose I have opened the link late. Then I think whatever the exam system in university, I'm talking about that. Okay.
No.
After opening the link, you get 10 to 10.
It's hardly 10 questions or 15 questions, right? We'll have, if not, we'll have a half an hour. No issues.
Okay, no, that is no issue, sir. But I'm asking the scheme of the examination. That's all. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Multi-choice questions, options. You can just solve it. We'll have 15 to 20 or most to the max half an hour. so that is there any internet issues and all. Even though if you
Yeah,
have any issues, you just don't be reluctant. You just message me for any queries. No issues. I'll just be in touch with you.
okay, sir. Thank you. That's why I'm asking that we have to also arrange these things for that particular time over here. So I'm asking. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank
Is
you,
the
sir.
time clear? Correct? 3. I think it may be correct because morning session you may be busy in the classes. 3 o'clock
Okay, sir.
for hardly half an hour. You just make yourself free and just
Okay.
answer.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
One time everybody may just make your time schedule such a way that you'll get the time slot free. Any
Okay,
other?
sir. Thank you.
I also thank the reviewer. I said in the third session we had a reviewer from Dr. Sandeep Sanchetti, Vice Chancellor, Marwadi University. I thank Vice Chancellor, Marwadi University, Sandeep Sanchetti, Dr. Sandeep Sanchetti, who visited the session on the, I think it was 7th session, 5th on Wednesday. He visited on that day. In the second session, it was topic from Muhammad Ashraf Iqbal from IIT Roorkee. He was at first slide only. Still, sir joined for 20 minutes. He visited and took a review of the session. I thank Sandeep Sanchetti also. Thank you one and all. Is there any issues? Question from Rajkumar sir, can it possible to take test Tuesday after 5 p.m. Or can it be after the this one college timings? If you are unable to have it college time, if you are free at home, you can just answer. We'll change the timing if you want. But I thought you will be in the college, you have the net facilities and everything. I think it will be easier you to answer in the college timing. So for that reason, I thought of 3 p.m. But you are asking for 5. Unable to access the documents in ATAL portal. Sure, I will just mail you for all the email IDs which you have shared. We'll just mail you all. Any other? Thank you one and all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
sir.
Thank you.
Sir, documents will be uploaded in ATAL portal, sir. Sir, we are not able to see that documents in ATAL portal.
I had that issue, sir, as we are unable to access the document. Yes, we'll just mail you. You have the
Okay,
we have your email IDs. We'll just mail you in, I think, Monday morning. I'll just mail you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, when will you share the exam link, sir?
Madam, I repeat, it will be on Tuesday at
Okay,
3 p.m. 3 p.m.
Okay.
I'll just message you in the WhatsApp group.
Okay, sir. Thank you.